Hi, Sally here, and I recently did a video flipping through this cute Christmas countdown mini album that I made, and that flip through is over on the Three Sister Sundries channel. But my sister said she would love to see how I made this book. So I was planning on doing another one, so I thought I would do a quick tutorial. I followed my sister Scrapper. She's the one who made this, she's the one who I followed her tutorial on how to make this one. So it's super easy. So let's get into it. So this one is a 6-inch book. So I wanted to make one that was 4 1/4. So, and out of white. So all you have to do is to do the 4 1/2, is you take your 8.5 by 11 cardstock and you need to make a square. So you cut on the 11-inch side, cut it to 8.5. Save your scraps, and to do a Christmas you need 4 pieces because each piece will make 6 pages. And just set these pieces you trimmed off to the side and get out your scoreboard. And we're just gonna score this into 4ths. So just straight down the middle on both sides. So they're 8.5. So that's 4 1/4. On this side, 4 1/4 on, rotate 90 degrees. And it's 4 1/4 on this side. So you're just scoring it into 4 squares. So you do that to all 4 pieces. Okay, so make sure it's right in the corner there. 4 1/4, and then flip it and rotate 90 degrees. 4 1/4 this direction. All right. So I think I'll do this with my scissors. So I'll just cut up this score line right to the center, and then fold it up. I think it's more important that the edges meet than you do it right on the score line, just in case your score line's a little bit off. So I'm going to be more careful this time about making sure that the edges meet. Then fold it this way and make sure those are even as well. Okay, and then that's your page unit. So so this is 1 page, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so we just need to close this up. And so we're going to use this leftover piece to make a pocket. So yep, 4 1/4 exactly. So we want our pocket 4 1/4 wide, plus a 1/2 inch on either side to fold in, and we'll attach the flaps to the page. So 4 1/4 plus 1 inch, so 5 1/4 wide, and then this should be 2 1/2. So then the pocket will be 1 1/4 inches deep. So let's cut this to, what did I say, 5 1/4. Like this. And then we want to give this a 1/2 inch tab on both sides. So just 1/2 inch here. And then we're going to score right down the center. So it's 2.5, so 1 1/4 is the center. Alrighty, so we are going to tape, put sticky tape, and it's going to fold back like this and in half like that, and then we will put this on the bottom like this. So when I made my other one, it really needed to be just a smidge smaller. So I'm going to, let's see, we'll put that like that. I'm going to make a little mark and refold this so that it is inside of the page. So I am going to put some tape on these edges. So I've got 3/8 1/4. Sorry, that's kind of noisy. I will do the 3/8. And I want to do it closer to the score line, but not over the score line. All right, now that I have this like this, I'm going to start from this score line and just trim off those corners so there's not quite so much bulk. I'm going to do it in the middle too. So just do a little triangle right out of the center. So I am going to put these flaps in, burnish them down. Ahead and now they don't fold exactly in the middle, I guess, but I don't think that matters to me, because it'll be on opposite sides, so you won't be able to see. Okay, so we're going to take our page and we are going to attach the pocket right here, getting it even with this edge here. So let me think, how did I do this? It was easier to do, I think I went like this. So I'm just going to take the tape off of this side, or take the backing off the tape, I should say, and then line up this edge, this side, and the bottom. Shoot, that did not line up as well as I would have liked, but I think it'll be pretty straight. Okay, and then same, and then this one will be much easier. Let's take the backing off. And, oh, so staticky. And then fold that up, holding this page straight and pocket. Good. Just like that. Okay. So there is our little pocket. And it closes up the page. And then this is open to have a photo mat pull out. And then this edge will be what we attach to the hinge. So I'll do one more on the camera. I'm going to do the other two and be right back. So I have all of my basic page units done, all 4 of them. So I have, that makes 24 pages. And so I am going to put these same pockets on the other 2 flaps, so that there'll be a pocket on every page, but it will be exactly the same as this. And I'll just fold it over this one piece of paper. And so I'm going to do that and be right back. So this is our page unit. Pocket here, pocket there, pocket down at the bottom there, and then more side pockets. So I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of the pockets on, and then I'm going to decorate the pages before I make the cover and attach these to the hinges, because it's just much easier to decorate before they're in the book. All right, I have all of my papers trimmed, picked out, and put in place. I just need to glue them in. So I am using the super cute Merry Christmas line from Cartabella. And so it came with, see if I can dig it out, a cut apart sheet of numbers, 1 to 24. So I just made them 1 inch square so they could go right here on the pocket. Maybe I'll have to zoom in a bit. That's kind of tiny. Okay, so my pages are 4 1/4 square, right? Yes, 4 1/4 square. So I just cut the papers to go on the pages 4 inches, and then I cut the strips for the pockets 4 by 1 1/4. Let me double check on that. No, 4 1/8 by 1 1/8. And then they'll just go like that. And then I haven't decided yet if I will put another paper behind these numbers, because some of them don't quite show up very well. But anyway, I'll show you what papers I have picked out. So this will be day 1. Put those back in the pocket. And, well, I guess I don't need to show you, but it's so cute. Some of the papers I printed as 4 by 4, so they came in 12 by 12 in the digital kit, and so I printed them as 4 by 4. So this is a whole page that was 12 by 12 that I printed as 4 by 4. I think that was so cute. And some of them looked okay and some of them didn't. Like this light bulb. It's kind of too small because you can't really see how cute the light bulbs are, but I kept it. And the snowflake, again, was also a 12 by 12 printed as a 4 by 4. So I thought that one looked cute. So these will be like that. Anyway, I'll just go through and I'm going to glue them in. I think I'll use liquid glue. Either this Scotch tacky glue or I got some of this Tombow Mono multi-glue, and I'll just glue them all in and then come back and flip through and show you all the pages. Alright, so now all of my pages are decorated, so I'll just do a quick flip through all my pages. This paper collection is so cute. I love those polka dots.